your hands. I like shoot, I will shoot. Jingle bell, all the way. We'll hop off our jingle bell, say, hey! Jingle bell, all the way. We'll hop off our jingle bell, say, hey! I like you.
There's nothing there.
Pinipilit niya talaga. Wala rin dito and
Why don't you want to get your man to get what you want there?
balikan daw yung dating unang pinasukan nila. Yes? The time is, wait, I'll check. Sa Sports Power? You been there? Wala din dito daw. Oh, tingin, balikan daw. Sige, tingnan natin ulit. Sila kanina ang nagpunta dito eh, kasi wala. Sila yung pumunta dito kanina eh. You like that one? Is that your size? Ito try ni Sak. Maganda naman to Sak eh. Makita siyang pink. What size are you, Baba? That one's nice, hon. Bibilhan din si Holly.
So the 8 would be okay?
Yeah, we'll try.
Have a look. Where is he?
Right here.
Bring it in.
Is it fit or what? You need.
little bit of room.
You got a bit.
Yeah, you need the other size Sack. What size 3?
Just like.
Yeah, we try. Try if they have. You get a new socks. Bumili rin pala silang bagong medyas. Yeah.
Now, can you just check them ones? I reckon he might have to go.
Up.
Trying to get a week out of there.
Walang size na ganitong style.
150.
Pero merong size ni Holly na ganun yung style. Gets nyo ba, guys? Ayan.
Which ones are 100?
Other one, Baba.
Oh, yeah. Ballistics. We don't have a size of those. So, size 2 na lang daw. Kasi yung size 3, medyo masyadong malaki para kay Holly. Ay, kay Sak. And ayun si Holly. So you could probably go up a size. The toes right there.
You need up size, Baba. So, palitan siya ng ibang size kasi medyo maliit na kay Holly yung... What size daan? Size 2? Holly 7. 8. Size 8 si Holly. So, isusot na ni Holly. Pinapasot na ni Jan. Sabi ko, wag na muna. Wow. Let me see, Baba. Can you walk? Go walk. And back. Come here. You like it? Check mo.
Do you want to kick your foot back like that for me? Yeah. And stand up nice and tall.
Yeah, that'll be right.
Okay. Bili ng salt.
Yep, that'll be fine.
Thank you.
Okay, so we've got that.
Here, right there.
Here's that.
Suot na nilang lahat yung mga bago nilang sapatos.
Take that ball too, Joe.
Let's go. Mauna na sila dyan sa car. Kami ni Holly, maghahanap ng damit niyang kulay green para sa Christmas party namin. Itong darating na December 7. Kulay ditong damit si Holly. Come on, Baba. Hanap pa tayo, Baba. Come here. Baba, here. Come on. Baba, come on. Hurry up. Pasok muna ako dito sa MCL. Tingin-tingin lang ba? Kasi wala tayong manap kay Holly. So, ako tingin muna ako dito kung anong meron sila. Tingnan mo na. Wala saan si Holly. Come on, Baba. Come here. Wala akong nakita dito sa MCL. Come on, Baba. Hanapan na natin si Holly ng damit. Come on, Baba. Mommy said, come on.
When I put my white shoes.
Daddy has it. Come on. Tayo dito sa seat. Kita niya si Frozen. Okay. Oh, it's not round. We don't have money, Baba. We don't have coins. Come on. That's it, Baba. Let's go. Ito na lang yung pag-asa ni Holly kung meron silang green na damit dito sa cotton. Kami sana magagandang dress, pero hindi sila kulay green. Ito sana green to. That's not green, Baba. Sayang. Ito sana green. Ito hindi naman to green. Ay nako, Baba. Ang daming dress sana kaso hindi sila kulay green, guys. Wala kaming nahanap na dress ni Holly, guys. Kasi ang dami sana magandang dresses sa cotton on kaso hindi sila green. And finally, ayan na si Sak. Are you happy now, Sak?
Yes.
Yes, si Kuya din, mayroon din bago. And si Holly. And dapat si Sak lang ang dapat bibilhan.
May Holly that got shoes.
Yes, you're lucky, kids. And papunta na kami sa kung saan magko-compete yung mga bata. Hindi siya doon sa dati, sa North Adelaide. Sa iba siya. What's the name, ha?
Flagstaff.
Hindi ko naintindihan. Ilagay ko na lang dyan, guys, kung saan. Sobrang traffic talaga ngayon dito, oh.
Sweetie.
Pak na naman kami. Ayaw nyo pa naman ng traffic.
Faster when you're on the other line.
Tulog na si Holly. Oops. Tulog na siya, oh. Thanks, Kuya Sak. Kanina pa kami, guys. Hindi pa nakakarating dun sa ano, kung saan kayo pupunta. Kasi nga, laging, ayan, oh. Oops. Traffic.
Oh, wow.
I see the city.
Well, that's how it goes back there.
Ganda yung view dun,
So,
guys.
Zaki?
On the way back, we might see it. Dito tayo pupunta, guys, sa Flagstaff Hill Golf Club. Ito na kami, guys, pero kanina pa, ano lang kami, nag-chill lang dito kasi sobrang init sa labas. And yung mga boys, kasi nanonood ako kay Mimi, sino ba ito? Yan yung, ang cute nito ni Mimi, yeah. Ayan, pinag-uusapan ng dalawa, sabi ni TJ, what did you say, Kuya? Dali.
Holly's.
Kuya, hurry up. Mapa-flat na si Ma'am.
Zach can.
Na, come on, say it.
Zach do it.
Hurry up. May sinasabi kasi siya.
I was Chona's kitchen.
May sinasabi si Kuya, sabi niya, why don't you make Holly a YouTube channel?
Holly channel.
And naghahanap sila ng para. Sabi ko, hindi ko pa
Holly's
kaya. Kasi di ba, dalawa na yung channel ko. Pag siguro one day, siguro hindi ko pa alam. Right, Baba? Baba, do you wanna have your own channel on YouTube?
Yes.
Hoy,
Yes. Mom,
what we're gonna call your channel?
Holly's channel.
Huh?
Holly's
With Kuya TJ and Kuya Sak? Huh? Are you gonna join Holly? What do you think? Huh? Are you gonna join Holly? Hurry up because Mommy's camera will be flat soon. Come on. Are you Kuya? Are you gonna join? How about you, Sak? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? What you gonna do? Challenge? Challenge? What else? Holly, what you gonna do if you're gonna have a channel? What you gonna do to your channel?
Holly's vlog.
Huh?
Holly's vlog.
Holly's vlog?
Yes.
Say, tell them, guys,
Guys,
subscribe to my channel.
I found a channel.
What's your channel?
My channel is Holly's vlog. Holly's vlog.
Wala pa naman, guys. Medyo joke lang to.
Here.
Not yet, okay? Maybe one day, pero hindi namin alam kung kailan. Ayan, nag-change na sila ng damit nila. Yung damit pa rin nila na kuyongga yung gamit nila.
Oh, one there.
Lalagyan ko sila ng sunscreen kasi sobrang init. Yes?
One there. There.
Yeah.
Here?
Yep.
Mom.
Yes.
Here?
Yeah, I will.
And a whole neck.
Yes, I will suck. Ano ng sunny sack. Ayan, tapos ko nang lagyan si Sak ng sunscreen. Kuya, you're next. And eto naman, oh. Yeah, I will put you. Wait. Ayan. Tapos na si Kuya. Ayan, you're done, Kuya. You're right. You're done.
This is great. This is fantastic.
Alis na sila. Boys, Mauna na sila. Nagre-ready na rin siya. Fix your clothes, Papa. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Like
No car. Sobrang init, guys. Hold Mami hand. Punta na natin yung mga boys. Yes. Andun yung mag-aama. Nagpa-practice sila ng patting ulit. And ayan yung mga ibang batang kasali sa competition. And maraming bat dito. Nag-fill up ng form doon. Naalala nyo guys yung matandang kinausap sila TJ nung nandun kami sa driving range. Ayan naman siya. Oh. Natagpuan namin siya dito. And ayan, kinakausap na naman si Jan tsaka yung mga bata about golfing. Huh? Binibigyan sila kuya ng tip nung ano, ng yung matanda ba?
We went out yesterday and I think they're going to try and start up the Super 6.
Kadi siya ulit, oh. Mag-start na guys. Maglalakad kami. Pero yung iba, nag-rent sila ng golf cart. Yung ganyan. Maraming may gamit niyan today. Kasi nga, sobrang init. Pero sabi dyan, maglalakad daw kami. Diba? Exercise. And si Allendale. Daina na sila. Isasakay sila. Ang ending sila. Ang ending, kami lang pala ni Holly ang maglalakad. Sila mag-golf cart. Kawawa naman kami ni Holly. Baba. Baba, come on. We're gonna walk, Baba. We're not a player, Baba. No, that's not us, Baba. Come on. No, we're not allowed, Baba. Gusto ni Holly sumakay. Come on, where are we going? Maglalakad kami ni Holly, guys. Kami lang ni Holly maglalakad. Kawawa naman tayo, Baba.
funny.
Huh?
It's not
It's not funny. I'm sorry. Okay. Bawat tumawa, guys. Andun na yung dalawa. Grabe, guys. Grabe yung takbuhan namin ni Holly kasi nga malayo sila, kuya. Kasi hinati na naman yung yung mga players into 2 groups. And sila, kuya, dito sa side na to. Andun sila, oh. Hindi na natin makikita yung hit nila kasi hindi na tayo makakaabot. Hinihingal namin yun. Are you alright, Papa? Come on, Papa. Takbo kami. Takbo tayo ulit. Takbo. Go. Come on, here, Papa. Yeah, Papa. Hindi pa namin naaabot yung mga boys. Doon pa sila, guys. So, malapit na tayo. Guys. Hindi na pwede magsalita. So, panoorin na natin. Si Kuya, yun na.
Hello guys. Go on.
Yes, right line.
Hello guys.
Oh, 11.
Watch the ball, Zach. Nice swing. That's it.
Oh,
Good.
beautiful shot.
Good job.
What's that way you want to go for? Time of practice.
Well done, Zach.
Well done, Zach.
Leave the marker there already. Now let's not play it there because that's all a bit. Find yourself a nice patch. Looks good.
Good shot, kuya.
What's that? What's that?
You want to go further?
Good job.
Confident, you know you can do it. Just a nice, smooth swing. Hit on like that.
Good chipping, Zach. Good job, Zach.
Come on, Zachy.
Ayan yung caddy ni Zach. Oh.
Get it up with that. A little bit harder.
Yep.
Oh,
Good
straight
job,
in,
good
well
job.
done.
Good job. Good job, kuya.
No, it's pull 5.
Yeah, I know that.
Good shot, Zach. Zach. Good shot. Ayan yung caddy ni Zach kasi si Holly, ayun na. Pahinga raw siya. Ito na yung mga boys. Nakakahingal sobra. Tapos sobrang init, guys. As in, ang init, ang sakit sa balat. Good shot, kuya.
Man under attack to be out here. Yep. Shot.
Good shot.
If we fit it too hard, it's just going to go and go and go, so it's okay.
Nice swing. Up and over.
Good job, kuya. Good job.
That'll do, you're on the dance floor. Well done.
Hinahanap ni Sak yung kanya kasi ang layo ng narating ng bola niya. Holly, come here, papa. So, yung gagamitin is yung kay kuya kasi mas malapit dito sa flag.
Nice try.
Nice.
Okay. So go on, go on. Oh, great shot.
Shot, Sak.
Oh. Not nice to play a hole, not get it in the hole, is it?
Right, look out, Zach. Hey, John.
Take your time now, no rush. Oh,
Good job, Sak.
Have a go.
Meron ano dito, merong lake. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung lake. Baba, you alright, Baba? Ang dami niya na nainom na tubig. Pati ako kasi sobrang init talaga. Ayan yung lake na sinasabi ko kanina sa inyo, guys. Ayan. Papunta na sila doon.
oh, wet one.
Water. Let siya sa tubig din yung bola niya. Si TJ sa tubig din. Tingnan natin si Sak.
Ben, you're in front of the ball, move back. Oh!
Wow! Cross tayo dito sa bridge. Don't fall, Baba. Yeah, that's a duck. See? May mga ducks. Okay, let's go, Baba. Kuya, go. So since lahat ng bola nila nasa tubig, start sila dito. Punta dun sa may flag na yan. Hindi natin ako ng sasok. Ayan si Kuya na. Good job, Kuya. Go in. Oh.
Right, can you go mark that one up?
Mark that sack. Go in. Oh.
Right, can you finish that one off? I'll tell you what happens, like, just pass me a marker. Just going to mark this one up in case you miss it, and then you can have a scratch. Okay?
Good job, Kuya.
No hesitation. There we go.
Good job, Zach. Yan si Nana. Lagi kaming minamadali kasi marami pa raw susunod. So, lagi kaming sinasabihan, hurry up. Medyo pressure tong competition this time. What's that?
We're doing now?
Not yet.
Yes.
Not yet. It's not done yet, Baba.
Good.
Yeah, I know. It's very hot. You're tired. Shot. Good shot, Kuya.
On the tee from Kyonga. Zach.
Yeah, Zach. Sila habang hinihintay nila yung turn nila. Eto kay Kuya, ako naman yung kaadi ni Kuya. And si Jan kay Zach. Ayan. Kasi si Hola, ayan, pagod na siya. Okay. Tinuruan pa ako ni Zach kung paano to itulak.
What do you got, Zach? Pretty hard. Beautiful.
Check ko na yung phone kasi malulobat na yung camera ko. May presentation pa sila. Malapit naman silang matapos.
Not this end.
Quiet, quiet.
Mom, my pie. Mom, my pie. Mom, my pie.
Go! Yes, Zach! Happy ng daddy. Good job, Zach.
Mom!
Good job, Zach. Nagganito sila ng daddy nila eh. Ginaya ko lang si daddy niya. Okay, ako na. Para hindi ka mapagod. Good job, Zach. Ay, Kuya. Oops. So yung bola ni Sak nandito. Ayun kay Sak. Buti na lang hindi nahulog dito sa dyan sa tubig ba. Ito yung kay Sak. Oh. Where's yours, kuya? Ito yung kay Sak. So, hinahanap namin yung kay TJ. And what's his name? The other boy? Your son? Ben.
Ben's the older one, yes.
Ben.
That's my son.
Ayun yung kay kuya nahanap na. Kay kuya. Si kuyang Pag-asa. Thank you. Good job. Good job. Good job, kuya. So, yung gagamitin na ball yung kay kuya kasi yun ang mas malapit dun sa flag. Yung kay Sakman doon. Oh. So, okay na yan, kunin. Tapos, gamitin yung kay kuya. Janitor siya.
That's it, you're doing it. Well done. Just breaking up your footprints as you come.
Come on.
Break.
Go in.
Just go hit
Your
yours
side
in.
now. Which one do you want to go for?
Hit yours in, TJ.
Wait, Sak, wait.
Beautiful.
Pinasakay siya kasi kanina pa talaga yung pagod. See you, Papa!
Big smile from us. You're on candid camera.
So, ito na yung last hole kasi nag-start sila sa second hole. So, ito yung first na hindi, kasi kanina mayroon dito sa first hole. So, ngayon, ito yung ninth hole nila, yung first hole. So, last na to. Ay, hingal namin. Good job, Kuya. This is
Spin.
Take your time with this one because there's a couple of big trees there.
Slide off the back foot a bit.
So you need to
Back
concentrate.
foot. No, that's front foot.
Oh, lovely. Could have been a bit harder.
harder, Kuya.
Nice. Watch the ball.
Good job, Kuya. On the green.
There you're on the green.
Wow, that was
Oh, you
good.
might be off.
Oh, good job, Zach. Oh, stop. Not too hard, Kuya. Oops. It's alright. Oh, go in. Mark that. Tisa. Kailangan niyang i-mark yun. Tapos tatanggalin para sa makatira.
Oh, that's
Good
it.
job, Kuya.
Grab your marker while you're there. Okay. Take your time, Ben. Beautiful.
Shake hand.
Come up here and take hands off.
Shake hand. Say thank you. Shake hand. Oh, thank you. Come on. You win? What do you think? You win? Who's winner? Say thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
It's been beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well done, sir. Well done, sir.
Oh, shake hand. How about this lady here? Thank you. Shake hand.
Oh, not yet.
Say thank you. Kuya, shake hand. Say thank you. Ito kami sa clubhouse. Hinihintay namin yung yung presentation and kumuha kami ng drinks. Ito yung aking lemon lime and Peter's Tasca dyan Coke. Doon yung mga bata. May hinihintay pa marami to. Nandun pa yung iba oh. Tapos meron pang hinihintay. And si Holly, maubos niya na yung raspberry niya. Good, Baba? Dito pala yung presentation. Diyan sila. Nandun si Holly oh. Ang pa-lemonade tsaka chips. Ayan. Si Holly nakikisali din oh. Ang dami mga bata. What's that, kuya? You want lemonade? You want lemonade?
Well, I have Jason come forward and introduce his team, please.
Kuyang gating.
Yeah, so we got Zachary Hyde.
Zach, good. Come on.
Archer Webster.
Tapos na yung presentation. He's very shy. Pagod na si Sak. Tapos na yung presentation, guys. And pauwi na kami. Anong oras na? 6:17. So, anong oras? What time are we gonna arrive at home, honey?
Nah.
What time are we gonna arrive?
What
Like
is it? 6 o'clock. I
Yeah.
reckon we didn't leave last time. Well, that was probably
12?
No, we left at 5 o'clock.
What
no.
time?
Last time we didn't leave Adelaide. We were at Murray, Taylor, Banner. We left there at 7:45, Taylor Bend.
So, what time do you think? 6, 7, 8?
So we're probably about the same. 12.
11:30 or to 12. Darating ka mga 12 siguro. And, you happy, Han?
Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah.
Kanina kung makita nyo lang yung saya niya nung nanalo yung mga bata. And paano niya yakap-yakapin yung dalawa. Na ano na kasi, nalobat na kasi yung yung isa kong nun, battery. Hindi ko nadala yung isa. And si Sak, pagod na pagod. Congratulations, boys!
Thank you.
Oh, pagod na sila. As in, sobrang oops. And yun na yung may binigay sa kanila nandun sa likod. Merong sombrero. Picturean ko na lang kasi nandun sa likod yung nila, yung cup. Tapos merong card na may pangalan nila. So picturean ko na lang, tapos i-insert ko na lang yung nakuha nila. And yan, nanalo sila. And i-close ko na yung vlog, guys, kasi medyo mahaba na naman siguro to. What? Train.
Train, Baba.
May train. Oh, diba? May train, Baba. See the train? Oh, ikaw yung mali. Mali yung kasi first time namin dito eh.
Get the train!
So yun na yung vlog, guys. Thank you. Oops, ano ba yan? Ba't ang labo nyo? Nag-U-turn kami, guys. Mali yung ni Jan. Mali yung
Unbelievable.
mali.
Well, we had to go at East
Mali yung turn ni Jan.
Terrace where we
Oops,
meant to
careful.
go.
Oh my god. So yun na yung vlog, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Baba! You're tired, Baba? Nakakapagod din tong init kasi sobrang mahapdi sa katawan. So yun na guys, good night. Bye. Good night, Han.
Hello.
Good night. Nakalimutan kong sabihin sa inyo na nanalo pala sila kuya by 1 shot. Right, Han? Oo. And yung kalaro nila is, yung age is 11 and 6. Then sila kuya is 8 and 6. And then yung team na yun, never lost pa sila. Right, Han? Never lost. Wala pa silang talo. Kaya, and then sinasabing dream team. Right, honey? Dream team daw yun. So, yun nga, nanalo sila kuya na by 1 shot. Very close talaga. Lagi sila nag-i-even, and then minsan sila manalo, then sila kuya behind na isa. Tapos, basta maganda yun lang. Nakakakaba. Hindi mo alam kung sino talaga yung mananalo. But yun, nasabi ko lang kasi hindi ko yata na banggit sa inyo na nanalo sila by 1 shot. Last time, natalo sila by 1 shot. This time, nanalo sila by 1 shot. So, yun lang nasabi ko lang sa inyo. Okay, good night!
The sun said you had to do 35.
Put your head back now. Put your head back. Kuya, help me, kuya. Put that head. Head back.
What?
Because put the head back, PJ.
Jingle bell, all the way.